Imagine sitting down at your desk, pressing a single key to wake up your system, and being instantly greeted by a visual canvas so strikingly sharp, so blindingly bright, and so visually perfect that your physical reality almost fades into the background. For the vast majority of professionals, creators, and daily computer users, the monitor sitting on your desk is a constant, subtle source of frustration. We have become completely accustomed to the compromises of modern display technology. Text that looks slightly blurry around the edges, colors that shift drastically depending on the angle you are sitting at, cheap plastic enclosures that creak when you adjust them. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Confusing settings menus that force you to click through a dozen buttons just to balance the brightness. But there is an elite tier of desktop hardware that refuses to play by those rules. A machine engineered not just to show you an image, but to act as a pristine, uncompromised portal for your creative mind. This is the reality of the Apple Studio Display 2. For years, critics and tech enthusiasts looked at the premium monitor market and posed a very loud, very valid question. Why on earth would anyone spend a significant premium on a dedicated desktop display when you can buy a massive television or a standard 4K monitor for a fraction of the cost? On paper, it looks like a luxury choice. But the exact microsecond you stand in front of this machine and see its optical engineering in action, the entire debate disappears. The Apple Studio Display 2 is not an ordinary monitor. It is an incredibly sophisticated piece of hardware powered by its own internal computer brain, wrapped in a precision-machined aluminum shell. It is designed from the ground up for people who demand pixel-perfect accuracy, whose livelihoods depend on seeing colors exactly as they exist in the real world, and who refuse to let fatigue or poor design slow down their daily workflow. If you are listening to this right now, you are likely trying to solve a major problem with your current workspace. You might be a professional video editor trying to color grade high bitrate RAW footage to strict broadcast standards. You might be a graphic designer or photographer who needs a display that perfectly matches the physical ink coming out of a high-end printing press. You might be a software developer who spends 12 hours a day staring at millions of lines of dense code, requiring absolute text clarity to protect your eyes from constant strain. Or perhaps you are someone who values a completely clean, minimalist, aesthetic environment where the technology works seamlessly with your computer setup. Whatever your motivation, the Apple Studio Display 2 forces us to bypass basic specification sheets and look at the brutal truth. Is this truly the absolute, uncontested king of professional desktop monitors, or is it an overpriced piece of aluminum art designed to lock you deeper into a specific ecosystem? To truly comprehend why this display is causing a massive shockwave across the tech and creative industries, we have to look past the beautiful minimalist borders and examine the cutting-edge panel technology under the glass. Apple didn't just choose a standard, off-the-shelf panel for this machine. They engineered a highly dense, high-resolution workspace that delivers a level of visual sharpness that standard monitors simply cannot physically achieve. We are talking about a true, uncompromised pixel density that matches the native scaling of modern desktop operating systems. What this translates to in your actual daily work life is a level of clarity that makes text look like it was printed on physical paper with a high-end laser jet. When you are reading code, analyzing dense financial sheets, or reviewing typography, there is absolutely zero color fringing, zero blurriness, and zero pixelation. Every curve of a font, every sharp edge of a graphic asset, and every fine detail in a high-resolution photo is rendered with absolute, razor-sharp precision.